Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit warm portrait in Lightroom Mobile. So what you need to do is just download the Lightroom app on your device and then just sign up and choose the photo that you want to edit. So let's say in here, I'm going to edit this photos right here. Click on the photos that you want to edit. Now, after you click on the photo, you can just tap on the edit menu on the right panel. Click on light and follow the settings. So for the exposure, I'm going to just increase it to 0.55, and then the contrast, I'm going to lower it to negative 74, and the highlight, increase it a little bit. Shadow, I'm going to go with 30, around 30 to 32, and the whites, increase it to around 16. And the blacks, lower it to negative 13. And at the top, click on the curve. Now you can adjust each of the colors in here to set the worm. So just adjust it with your photo. It depends on your photo itself. You can tap on done. Okay, now you can click on edit again and find the profile options and choose the category is the modern, and here choose the modern 3 and adjust the amount. So I'm going to increase it a little bit like this, and now you can just tap on the check icon and find the color options, and in here you can just set the vibrance to around 10. Sorry, 10, and then the saturation and negative 10, like this. Tap on the color mix at the tops, this one's right here, and again just the color depends on your photo. Again, here I'm going to adjust the red color luminance and saturation, and also the orange one. And the yellow. Okay, you can tap on done after that, and if you want to see the before, this is the before and here is the after. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.